Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we will continue with our human evolution part. That is our chapter called heredity and evolution. So we have to understand the Lamarckism theory, which is given by the Lamarckism theory was proposed by the Jean Baptiste Lamarck, and it is proposed that the morphological changes. What is morphological changes? That changes that we can observe with our eyes. Like we have hairs on our head, that is morphological character. We have two eyes between, and we have between the nose, that is again we have nose between two eyes, is again a morphological character. We have two hands, two ears, all nothing but the morphological character. So on the basis of development of morphological character, Lamarckism has proposed its theory due to the activist and the laziness of the organism. It says, further he said that the neck of the giraffe has become long due to the browsing on the leaves of the tall plants. So इसकी theory क्या कहती है एक्चुअल में? There was a land area. ये एक ऐसा ग्रासलैंड वाला एरिया था जहां पर there are many trees are present and all these are nothing but the grass. These are the trees and grass we have everywhere. This is the grassland. So in grassland there is a decrease in the population of the carnivorous animal. Carnivorous animal means the flesh eater animals. उनकी population क्या हुई? Decrease हुई. So due to decrease in population of the carnivorous animal in this area, the population of herbivorous animal is get increased. वहाँ पर जो शेर है ना, वोल्फ है, इनकी जो पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज हुई तो वहां पर जो हर्बिवोरस एनिमल थे उनकी पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हुआ. सो ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द हर्बिवोरस प्लांट दे हैव ग्रेज्ड all the grass from the grassland and few of the animal they used to eat the leaves they are present on the tall trees, like they are eating the leaf of the that plant and they are due to the browsing of leaves of the tall plants by extending their neck region. So due to increase in the neck region, it takes a lot of time. That is, it takes crores of years in such evolution. So due to the browsing of the leaf of the tall plant, the animals which used to browse the leaf from the tall plant, their neck region has increased in length. उनकी जो नेक रीजन है उसका इंक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हो गया एंड द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ जिराफ was initiated from there, and now the giraffe has the longest neck in the world. So this is proposed by the Lamarckism by the activity of that particular animal which is called as giraffe in today's scenario. Okay, so उसकी जो नेक गर्दन क्यों हुई, लॉन्ग क्यों हुई, नेक लॉन्ग क्यों हुई? ड्यू टू वो ब्राउज कर रहा था, जितने भी लॉन्ग ट्री से हाइट वाले ट्री थे उनके लीफ को उन्होंने ग्रेस करना स्टार्ट किया और उसके लिए वो अपने माउथ को पत्तियों तक लेकर जाते थे. दैट हैबिट्स के कारण उनकी जो नेक रीजन है उनका लॉन्ग होना स्टार्ट हो गया एंड फ्रॉम देयर द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ जिराफ वर इनिशिएटेड एंड नाउ वी हैव द लॉन्गेस्ट नेक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज ऑफ जिराफ. Okay, then wing of the birds like ostrich and emu have become weak due to no use. So we know the emu bird and ostrich, they have feathers and they have wings but they cannot fly. Why they cannot fly? Because they are very lazy birds. So they have stopped their flying with the help of their wings, and due to no use of the wings their wings started generated from there, and now today's scenario the emu bird and the ostrich they cannot fly, okay, like other birds do. Then the birds like swan and duck have become useful for the swimming due to the living in water, and snake have lost their legs by modification of their body. So we know the duck and the swan they are the bird, but they are able to swim in water also, because their claws have webbed in there, so that by which they can swim in water. So claws of the birds, they are webbed claw they have. That's why they can swim in water also. And the snake, we know snake, the black cobra, black mama, they are nothing but the snake. So snake have no legs, because when snake is running on the ground without any legs, so due to by the modification in their body for the burrowing habit, वो क्या में दे एक्चुअल में रेंग रहे हैं ना जमीन पर, that is called burrowing of the snake. So due to burrowing, their legs have been degenerate, and now we have the snake without any legs. Then we have all these examples are types of the acquired characters. So all these characters are nothing but acquired character by the animals due to the activist and laziness of the organism. Then this is called as the theory of inheritance of acquired character. This theory is called as the inheritance character by the acquired character. So due to the acquired character, there is a modification in different organism. Okay, so this is all about Lamarckism. So development of organ due to the specific activity of their degeneration due to no use. So if if there is use of particular organ in our body or in organism of any body, if organism, so due to activity of the organ of the any organism, that organ they are very well developed, but if there is no use of such organ, then they starts degenerated because there is no use. Okay, so like in human being, we know our ancestors have generated from the monkeys. That means monkeys have tail. So do human being have tail? No. That means the tail of the human being, it is degenerated due to no use of tail. Because human, they can walk and balance on the earth by two legs. That's why they do not require tail for the balancing their body. That's why the tail of the human being is degenerated. We have the appendix in our body also, because it have no use. Due to no use of appendix, it starts degenerated. Still in our body we have appendix. Still in our body we have appendix, but there is no use because we are eating the food which is cooked one. But animals, they used to eat the raw food, that means the food which is obtained directly from the plant. So due to they are directly eating the plant parts, the cellulose which is have to digest it in their body, that's why they have well developed appendix. But when we are eating our food, we have food habit is of the cooked food. That means the cellulose which is entered in our body, which is in simpler form. So we do not have to digest cellulose in our body because it is already digested in outside our body. That is when we are cooking the food. Okay. So due to the no use of appendix in our body, it starts degenerate, and we have degenerated appendix as well as the molar teeth also. Okay. Because it had been verified many times that modification brought in us are not transferred to the next generation, and thereby Lamarckian theory was disproved. So at that time the Lamarckian theory was very well accepted all over the world, but this character, whether they are going to transfer in next generation with the help of hereditary character or not, this is not explained by Lamarckism. That's why the theory of Lamarckism was disapproved. Okay, so this is all about the Lamarckism. So now we will understand what is speciation. So now we will understand what is speciation. So speciation is nothing but the formation of totally new organism due to the evolution and the formation of new kind of species due to the effect of evolution is called as speciation. स्पेसिएशन का मतलब न्यू टाइप के ऑर्गेनिज्म का फॉर्म होना ड्यू टू द इवोल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड एज स्पेसिएशन, एंड द स्पेसिएशन प्रोसेस टेक्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. Okay, like we can say human beings, they are developed from, or they are originated from the monkeys. That means today we have the various differences between monkeys and human beings, but we know human beings which are generated or which are evolved from the monkeys only. Okay, that means our ancestors are monkeys. So we can say that, so human being is a totally new organism as compared to the monkeys. That's why it is such a action is called as speciation, and speciation takes crores of years for the development of new type of species. Okay. So the formation of new species of the plant and animal is due to the effect of evolution is called as speciation. The species are the group of organisms that can produce a fertile individual through the natural reproduction processes. We know all the plants and animals, they produces their young ones like them only. That means of the same species due to the process of evolution. And human being produces human being. Dog produces dog. Mango trees gives the seed which produces the mango tree only. That means the hereditary character which are transferred from one generation to the next generation, it is again the part of evolution. So due to which the generation to generation small changes takes place. Okay. So we know in sexual reproduction there are two types of DNA which are fused together to form zygote or to form embryo, and that embryo develops into the new young ones in all the animals, as well as if we will say zygote, then it produces the new type of seed. So every time the new type of species which is formed, which is very well modified than previous one. Okay, so the geographical condition of the earth is different in different area. That means in our India we have moderate temperature. In Alaska there is a very cold temperature. In Afghanistan and Rajasthan there is a very high temperature. That means it is very hot region. So, and in South Africa also, in Uganda also, in Ghana also, they have a very high temperature in that area. So according to the geographical area, their food habit, living habit, there is a modification according to them only. So modification or the formation of new species due to the effect of evolution and the effect of their geographical area and their different habit is called as speciation. Generally, the geographical area or reproductive isolation also leads to speciation. So due to the different different geographical area and the reproduction habit, the speciation also takes place due to these two reasons. Okay, so this is all about speciation. Okay, so today we are completing our session. So we have one more lecture to complete this chapter. So next video we will understood about the evolution of human being, and it is really very interesting as well as very important. Okay, so it is enough for today. So we will meet in next video. Tab tak ke liye bye. And student, your exams are in next few days, so you have to practice a lot to achieve more marks. Okay, so bye for now.